Hey, damn, they beautiful. Hey, what's up, Curtis Rose? Hey, Bêriye, Bêriye. I mean, Halay. 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 Is they doing a Halay dance in this video? Let me know. But today we reacting to, you know what I'm saying, Hozan Cevat or Cevat. You know what I'm saying? This is Kêç Bêriye Bêriye. You know what I'm saying? Featuring Gowenda, Mılane, and Yılmaz, Ailesi, Gever. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? We you know what I'm saying? About to keep reacting to this, but I am J Munchie. You know what I'm saying? Slaw to all my Kurds. You know what I'm saying? This is Kurdish Munchie TV. This is the Turkey Royal Empire. You know what I'm saying? Why? Not because of Turkey, because of the region, because of the Black Sea region. You know what I'm saying? I might change the name to the Black Sea. You know what I'm saying? Royal Empire. Y'all like the sound of that? You know what I'm saying? Because I'm unifying the Middle East. You know what I'm saying? My Indo-Europeans. You know what I'm saying? My Illyrians. You know what I'm saying? My Pharisees. You know what I'm saying? All that type of shenanigans. You know what I'm saying? No, seriously, the all jokes aside. But let's continue this. You know what I'm saying? Hey, yes, they doing a highlight. God damn. That's what I'm gonna say. Yep, they doing the highlight. You could do the highlight in different ways, especially with your arms. They hold their hands together, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I've been doing my research, you know what I'm saying? Been doing the highlight. I forget the name of the thing they got, but I think I don't know if somebody says just a scarf or, but I think it's a special name for it. Somebody at the end holds the, I'm gonna call it like scarf for now, you know what I'm saying? Or can we call it the Kurdish, we can't call it the Kurdish flag, but Kurdish scarf, okay? And there's the part, well, for this, but the highlight, and any highlight, and even Balkan, which I learned, I was like, oh, no wonder why some of the music is similar, like, you know what I'm saying? In the Balkans, they do like this, they do folk music, you know what I'm saying? But it depends on what kind of folk music it is. I think they folklorique is this style of music, you know what I'm saying? Which is like I forget the term of the type of music this actually is, even though I believe this is just Kurdish folk music. Let me know what's the actual term for this. Kêç Bêriye Bêriye Kêç Bêriye Bêriye Kêç Bêriye Bêriye Kêç Bêriye Oh, know what? This is Hawaiian style music. You know what I'm saying? Or that Hawk. What? How do you say it? Hawk Muruleran, something like that. But I'm gonna just stick with what I said the first time. You know what I'm saying? Just that Hawaiian music. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Kêç said. You know what I'm saying? Folklorique. You know what I'm saying? Hey, be like. It's your boy Jay Munchie. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction video. I hope you got your dance on. You know what I'm saying? With your boy Jay Munchie. You see that? Yeah, you like that? Make it. Anyway, smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share, like, subscribe to your fellow Kurds. Hope you guys are being safe from that virus. Make sure you wash your hands consistently. Make sure you practice 10 feet of distance. After 6 feet, 10 feet. Alright, I ain't trying to see none of my Kurds go arrested. And condolences to if anybody did. Because I think, I'm not sure. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure if it reached Kurdistan. I hope it didn't. But if it did, you know what I'm saying? If y'all lost anybody, my condolences. And I hope my old friends, you know what I'm saying, from my old channel, you know what I'm saying, is doing okay. You know what I'm saying? And if you are from my old channel and you are on this channel, let me know if you're okay. That's all I want to know. You know what I'm saying? Holla at your boy. But anyway, you know, ganging with the Kurdish gang, you know what I'm saying? Black Sea, you know what I'm saying? A Turkey Royal Empire. And I'll see you guys in the next reaction video.